हेलो।
हाँ नंदा जी नमस्कार।
हाँ सर, नमस्कार सर। सुनाई आ रही है सर?
और फर्स्ट क्लास।
क्लियर एकदम से? अच्छा।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, ठीक सर,
एक बार
ठीक।
ये सुरेश को और फोन कर लो आप।
अच्छा।
हाँ ज्वाइन कराओ उनको।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
जदुवंशी सर नमस्कार।
नमस्कार जी नमस्कार।
मैं सर डॉक्टर इसरोइल सिरसा चौधरी देवीलाल यूनिवर्सिटी से।
ओ बहुत बढ़िया जी, बड़ा अच्छा लगा ज्वाइन करके। आपका तो तारीफ मैंने पहले सुनी हुई है।
आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई सर।
थैंक यू जी,
किताब
थैंक
का।
यू।
हाँ जी सर। किस सब्जेक्ट पे है सर? यह विमोचन
बताएंगे
के
अभी
बाद पता
अभी
लगेगा।
अभी आप ज्वाइन करो, सारा बताएंगे।
हाँ ठीक बात है, विमोचन
ठीक
के
है सर।
बाद पता लगना चाहिए।
हाँ हाँ
बिल्कुल
हाँ,
ठीक है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है जी।
हाँ जी डॉक्टर साहब, नमस्कार। हाँ, ज्वाइन करो सर। ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके ओके।
सर 11:30 स्टार्ट कर देना, फिर किसी को वेट करना है?
हाँ
वाइस चांसलर सर का तो वेट करेंगे ना।
सर।
ओके।
सर, डॉक्टर सुरेश कुमार जी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं? बात हो गई है यदुवंशी सर?
हाँ डन जी डन।
हाँ, बात हो गई है।
हाँ 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 ठीक है। कराओ ज्वाइन कराओ, दिखना चाहिए ना इसमें।
हाँ, बात हो गई है उनसे, तो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है। आ गया इनका फोन। हाँ जी ज्वाइन करो डॉक्टर साहब। वो उस पर क्लिक करोगे तो यदि वो है तो अपने, नहीं तो टाइप कर ले उस लिंक को।
हाँ, लिंक को टाइप कर लो, उसमें
नहीं
कोड में
ये
डाल दो।
उसको क्लिक करेंगे तो ज्वाइन होएगा।
हम्म।
हमका आपका भी देखो, आप क्लिक करोगे तो ज्वाइन होएगा आपका। हाँ
यस।
पुनिया सर, नमस्कार।
हाँ
नमस्कार
जी
डॉक्टर, मेरा
डॉक्टर
ज्वाइनिंग।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार, मेरा ज्वाइनिंग हो गया।
हाँ सबको ऐसे ही बोलना है आपको कि भाई सब ऐसे ही ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें।
तो मैंने यही कहा है, कहा तो मैंने यही है।
वो थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है, क्लिक करके थोड़ी टाइम लगता है, नेट वेट कम होगा ना, चक्कर ये है।
नेट की दिक्कत होगी।
हाँ
पुनिया
सर
साहब।
बस
नमस्कार
जी।
सर
सर।
मैं ये कह रहा
हाँ
हूँ,
बस।
आप सबको जो है इनवाइट कर रहे थे, आप बाद में पूछो सर।
हाँ हरीश, अच्छा हरीश, प्रोफेसर
मैं
हरीश। ओके, थैंक यू
मैं
हरीश।
सोच रहा था मैं सोच रहा था मैं पुनिया सर जो ना औरों के पास में फोन कर रहे होंगे, अभी बिजी
मैं
होंगे,
फोन कर रहा
बात
था
नहीं
किसी की।
करेंगे।
हाँ, कईयों की प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी कि ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा, मैंने कहा भाई लिंक पे करो।
हाँ
मैं
हाँ
औरों को
ना,
ज्वाइन
ठीक है
करवाने लग
सर।
रहा। ठीक है, डॉक्टर राजकुमार यादव ऑल्सो है ज्वाइन ना?
कर लेंगे कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ज्वाइन जिसको करना है वो ज्वाइन में कोई दिक्कत है ही नहीं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
प्रोफेसर हरीश सर, नमस्कार। आई एम डॉक्टर नन्हे सिंह।
नमस्कार सर।
हाँ सर, जो आपके प्रोफेसर दिलबाग सिंह जी हैं, ही इज माय क्लासमेट। नो
अच्छा अच्छा
कॉन्टैक्ट।
अच्छा अच्छा।
इन
कुरुक्षेत्र
फ्यूचर।
सर।
हाँ
कुरुक्षेत्र।
हाँ, यस सर, यस सर।
ठीक है, एमसीए में या फिजिक्स में सर? उनके 2 डिग्री हैं, ड्यूअल डिग्री है, एक फिजिक्स की भी है उनके पास में,
नहीं,
एक
एमटेक
कंप्यूटर की है।
एमटेक
एमटेक में, ठीक है,
एमटेक कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग।
बिल्कुल सर।
अच्छा, हरीश के तो जो है ना मूछें वगैरह जो है पूरी कर रखी है अपनी।
ये सर, ये अपना जो वो अपना मास्क लगा के रखते हैं ना, मैंने सब मास्क कटेगा तभी इनको ठीक करेंगे। इतने नीचे नीचे बढ़ रही है, ये अच्छी बात है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
वैसे सर लग जाती है, वो जो ना थोड़ा करना पड़ता है इनको ऐसे, वो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
अभी आदत नहीं ना।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
हाँ, जेल वगैरह लगा के कर लेंगे जेट सर, लॉकडाउन खुलेगा तब तक।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
अशोक यादव सर भी है इसमें।
सौरभ,
हाँ, यादव सर भी हैं, राजकुमार यादव जी भी हैं।
यस सर।
सौरभ एक मिनट, सौरभ डॉक्टर साहब, सौरभ कहाँ है?
यस सर।
टाइम हो गया हमारा।
हाँ सर, 4 मिनट
हैं,
रहते हैं
4
सर,
सौरभ,
मिनट रह गए।
वेट ही कर रहे हैं। हाँ सर, 4 मिनट रहते हैं।
हाँ
डॉक्टर को
सौरभ,
पिक्चर चला दो,
यस सर।
डॉक्टर साहब
सौरभ
को
वो
दिखा दो एक बार।
सौरभ वो फोटोज ऑर्डर में
हाँ वही
लगा देना।
चलवा रहा हूँ मैं,
हाँ
देख
चलो,
लो
आप
आप।
दिखाओ दिखाओ, स्क्रीन शेयर करो सौरभ।
हाँ
नंदे जी और सुरेश माइक ऑफ करो।
सर, माइक
हाय आलोक।
Hello, sir. How are you?
Oh, nice to see you from Australia.
Yeah, same here.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So, am I on time?
So, what is the time at Australia now?
Time is around 4:30, 4:30
Oh,
evening,
good.
4:30 p.m.
बहुत बढ़िया। और ठंड
Yeah.
कैसी हो रही है वहाँ पे?
ठंड सर अभी बस खत्म होने वाली है। अब गर्मियाँ शुरू होंगी यहाँ पर।
ठीक है, चलो जी, बहुत बढ़िया।
हाँ, ठीक है सर।
ओके, सौरभ ऑन करवाओ।
Good morning, everyone. Manish Gautam here.
हाय मनीष।
Good morning, sir. How are you?
गुड मॉर्निंग, फाइन, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। है
My pleasure. Thank you.
गुड।
सौरभ,
यस सर।
सौरभ पहले ना जैसे वो बिल्डिंग अपना बिल्डिंग का इनॉग्रेशन हुआ था
ठीक है,
जी
अब
सर।
चेंज कराओ।
ना, चेंज नहीं करवा रहा हूँ मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जैसे मैं बोलूंगा तो उस ऑर्डर में डिस्प्ले करना पहले।
ना वो सारा एक करता रहेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। आप अभी चेंज मत कराओ इसको लास्ट मोमेंट में। वो लगाया हुआ ऑर्डर से लगाया हुआ है इसने।
हाँ वो है ना, अभी केवल एक ही
अभी तो
पिक्चर मुझे दिखाई दी।
अभी तो वीसी साहब को ज्वाइन कराओ, बस टाइम हो गया, वो 11:30।
करवा, नहीं करवा दो।
हाँ।
कपूर साहब और मित्तल सर ने ज्वाइन कर लिया।
Hello, good morning everyone. This is Taruna Sharma. Sir, congratulations. Hello.
थैंक यू तरना।
सर ये आपके सराहनीय प्रयासों का नतीजा है। Congratulations for your second book, sir.
थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Pleasure.
नमस्कार मित्तल सर।
सर नमस्कार। सर का माइक ऑन है, ऑफ है?
ऑफ है।
हाँ, सर को सुन गई हमारी नमस्कार।
हाँ नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार। हाथ जोड़ के बोल रहे हैं नमस्कार सर। वो सुन गई इसका मतलब है ना।
हाँ
ठीक है। अब वीसी सर और ज्वाइन कर ले तो शुरू कर दे।
बिल्कुल।
कपूर सर ने ज्वाइन कर लिया।
कपूर साहब का तो पता नहीं, दिख नहीं रहा कहीं। एक बार फोन करके देख लो। मैं करूं फोन?
आप कर लो सर एक बार फोन। और शर्मा जी ने भी ज्वाइन नहीं किया ना?
सर आरके शर्मा सर और राजीव कपूर सर रह गए।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, टाइम हो गया अब, लेकिन लेट हो जाएंगे सारे। ज्वाइन कराएं?
राजवीर जी आप फोन कर लो एक बार।
फोन कर लेता हूँ एक बार, है ना?
हाँ कर लो कर लो।
कपूर साहब का फोन बज रहा है, उठा नहीं रहे।
ओके ओके।
सर वाइस चांसलर साहब भी बस अभी 5 मिनट के अंदर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं सर।
अच्छा ठीक है।
लगना उनसे बात हो गई है।
हाँ
बस 2 से 4 मिनट लग रहे हैं सर बस ज्वाइन करने में।
ठीक है।
राइट सर।
आ, 27 लोगों ने तो ज्वाइन कर लिया है।
यस सर।
हाँ, संजीव हैज आल्सो ज्वाइंड।
यस सर।
Sir, congratulations on the book launch. Pawan this side. Pawan Rakesh.
थैंक यू पवन।
Good morning, sir. Congratulations.
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू। मित्तल सर का एक बार माइक ऑन करा के देखो आप। सर अपना माइक ऑन करना आप, मित्तल सर।
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग संजीव।
Congratulations, sir.
थैंक यू।
संजीव सर नमस्कार।
हाँ नमस्कार सर, कैसे हैं सर?
सर बढ़िया सर।
अच्छा, मैं तो सोचा मैं अभी लेट आ गया, एकदम से मैंने ध्यान दिया।
मित्तल साहब का माइक करवाना पड़ेगा, ऑन नहीं हो पा रहा है इनका।
अरविंद सर नमस्कार।
सौरभ आप एक बार फोन कर लो, मित्तल जी को हेल्प कर दो उनकी।
हाँ फोन मैं कर लेता हूँ।
आप कर लो।
म्यूट होगा उनका।
हाँ म्यूट ही दिख रहा है ना, मैं बात कर लेता हूँ।
बोल तो रहे पर आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ 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 वही तो।
हेलो,
सर आपका माइक ऑन नहीं हो रहा।
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस राजवीर सर, मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू थैंक यू सर। एक लाल सा बटन है माइक वाला ना आपके पास, लैपटॉप से कर रहे हैं आप मोबाइल से कर रहे हो सर?
अविनाश सर
नहीं
नमस्कार।
नहीं, मोबाइल पे भी वो आप जब वो देख रहे होगे तो लाल सा एक ये दिख रहा माइक वाला सा, उसको दबा उंगली रखो सर उस पे तो देखो एक बार। अच्छा दबाने से हो नहीं रहा है वो।
नहीं उससे एक बार ना उससे माउस से क्लिक कर देंगे, माउस से।
नहीं वो मोबाइल पे है ना।
अच्छा मोबाइल पे तो हो जाना चाहिए वैसे तो।
सर
हाँ,
उनको
कोई बात
एक्सेस
नहीं।
सर उनको एक्सेस देना पड़ेगा। अगर फर्स्ट टाइम यूज कर रहे हैं तो उनको अलाउ एक्सेस करना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा।
अलाउ एक्सेस करना पड़ेगा, माइक के बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो उसको अलाउ एक्सेस करना पड़ेगा। अलाउ एक्सेस करने के बाद उनका माइक चालू हो पाएगा, वरना माइक चालू नहीं होएगा।
लाठर सर नमस्कार। लाठर सर नमस्कार।
सर नमस्कार नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर नमस्कार।
हाँ नमस्कार सब, शायद अब हुआ है शायद।
हाँ नमस्कार सर, सबको बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। प्रोफेसर यदुवंशी जी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
नमस्कार जी नमस्कार। वीसी साहब ज्वाइन कर लिए, प्लीज सारे माइक अपना ऑफ कर लें।
ठीक है सर।
रिक्वेस्ट टू स्विच ऑफ माइक। अनिल अनिल शर्मा प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक। आलोक आप भी माइक ऑफ कर ले एक बार।
ओके।
A very delightful morning to distinguished VIPs, guests, faculty members, ladies and gentlemen. I, Siddhi, final year student of BTech, would be your host for today. As it is an online event, I request all the dignitaries and guests to switch on their cameras. It's a huge honor for me to welcome today Professor J.P. Saini, Honorable Vice Chancellor, NSUT Delhi, Professor Alok Kushwaha from LD University, Australia, Professor Alok Prakash Mittal.
सिद्धि वीसी साहब को ज्वाइन करना तो रुक जाओ अभी।
ओके सर।
जब वीसी साहब ज्वाइन कर ले जब शुरू करना। अनिल शर्मा प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक।
तो शैलेंद्र ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है।
Honorable Vice Chancellor sir has joined the meeting. So Siddhi,
Good morning to all of you. Am I audible?
Sir, good morning. We are able to hear you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
morning.
Siddhi, now I think you can start.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. A very delightful morning to distinguished VIPs, guests, faculty members, ladies and gentlemen. I, Siddhi, final year student of BTech, would be your host for today. As it is an online event, I request all the dignitaries and guests to switch on their cameras. It's a huge honor for me to welcome today Professor J.P. Saini, Honorable Vice Chancellor, NSUT Delhi, Professor Alok Kushwaha from LD University, Australia, Professor Alok Prakash Mittal, former Member Secretary of AICTE, Professor Rajiv Kapoor from DTU, Professor Harish Parthaswati from NSUT, Professor R.K. Sharma, Principal at East Campus NSUT, Professor Nanne Singh from East Campus, and Dr. Suresh Kumar from East Campus NSUT, and all the other guests attending the book promotion ceremony of the book written by Professor Rajiv Yadvanshi, titled Nano Dielectric Resonator Antenna for 5G Applications, published by Taylor and Francis, CRC Press in 2020, an American international publisher who invested more than 1 crore on this title to convert this idea into print media. I once again welcome and thank all the dignitaries and guests present on this occasion from all across the world to grace the occasion from core of my heart on behalf of the author. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Suresh Kumar to welcome our chief guest, Professor J.P. Saini, Honorable Vice Chancellor, NSUT Delhi. Dr. Suresh Kumar, sir, please.
Thank you, dear students, for giving me wonderful opportunity to welcome the gathering. A very good morning, one and all. I wish Happy Navratra to all of you. It's my privilege to warm welcome you all on the auspicious occasion of third Pustak Vimochan ceremony of Professor Rajveer Yadvanshi ji. Honorable Vice Chancellor, NSUT, Professor J.P. Saini sir, Professor Alok Mittal, former Principal AIACTR and Member Secretary AICTE, Professor Rajiv Kapoor, former Principal AIACTR, Professor R.K. Sharma, Principal AIACTR, eminent research scholar Professor Ashok Kushwaha from Adelaide University, Australia, and Professor Harish Parthasarthi ji, and all respected internal faculty members of NSUT and faculty members from other university like Professor Sanjay Malik from GGS IP University, Professor Harish Rohil from Devilal University Sirsa, Professor Rajkumar Yadav has joined from Indira Gandhi University Mirpur Rewari, Professor Ashok Yadav from Amity University Noida, and Professor Pankaj Lathar from Bhai Parmanand Institute, Delhi, and Professor Shailendra from DTU, and entire organizing teams and dear PhD and MTech scholars. We have joined various PhD scholars from abroad also, like Anil Sharma has joined from Ethiopia. So first of all, I would like to thank from core of my heart to Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Saini sir to spare his valuable time to bless and grace this great occasion from his busy schedule. It's my privilege.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It's my privilege to share with you, sir, that first Pustak Vimochan of Professor Yadvanshi ji was blessed by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Manish Sisodia ji in April 2016. And second Pustak Vimochan ceremony was blessed by Honorable MLA Shri S.K. Bagaji from Krishnanagar constituency, Delhi in December 2017. Sir, this is the third Pustak Vimochan ceremony which was blessed by you. The title of the book is Nano Dielectric Resonator for 5G Application, published by a famous international publisher, Taylor and Francis Group. I would like to congratulate Professor Yadvanshi ji for successful completion of this challenging task of book writing. And I also want a huge round of applause for him. Beyond doubt, sir, you are a true academician and a researcher. You are constant resource of inspiration for all of us. I got the opportunity to share with you that Professor Yadvanshi ji has joined Indian Air Force. This thing is known by very few of us. He has joined Indian Air Force in 1985. During his service in Indian Air Force, he has completed AMI course and MTech course from NIT Allahabad. He took VRS from Indian Air Force in 2001 and joined Ministry of Defense. But his keen interest and passion was academic. He wanted to be a good academician and researcher. So his interest, he had joined our institute AICTR as a founding faculty member in 2007 with me after selection through UPSC. Since the joining of AICTR, we have played a key role in constructing new campus at Gita Colony under the guidance of Professor Ashok Dey. We invited then CM Sheila Dixit to inaugurate new building of AICTR in Gita Colony in 2008. We have organized grand annual cultural and technical fest in 2016 under the guidance of Professor Alok Mittal. Our first was graced by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Manish Sisodia ji. Not only this, sir, we have also organized a historic first ever international conference in 2017 under the guidance of Professor Kapoor. In that conference, we have invited Honorable Chief Minister Shri Arvind Kejriwal ji. He has accepted our invitation, but due to some urgency, he could not join the conference. However, Honorable S.K. Bagaji, MLA Krishnagar constituency, has blessed the conference as the replacement and request of Honorable CM Arvind Kejriwal ji. Sir, I would like to share one more thing, that since before 2017, our institute was facing a biggest problem of due to non-opening of our rear gate. We all worked together in a team under the leadership of Professor Kapoor, and with the blessing of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, our rear gate was opened in 2017. The gate opening ceremony was done by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sisodia ji in 2017. I also thankful to Sisodia ji on this occasion as well. Due to all these development works carried out at our institute, Professor Yadvanshi ji along with me and Professor Nane Singh ji, Professor Shailendra ji was awarded by Academic Excellence Award 2017 by Sri S.K. Baga, MLA Krishnanagar constituency. So Professor Yadvanshi ji is not only a good author, not only a good academician and researcher, but also an excellent organizer. And he has been awarded Excellent Organizer Award 2017 by Honorable S.K. Bagaji, MLA Krishnanagar constituency, Delhi. With this, finally, I would like to thank and welcome you all to grace this third Pustak Vimochan ceremony. Thank you all for making this event a huge success. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would like to invite Professor Rajveer Yadvanshi, an outstanding faculty and founding member, Department of ECE at East Campus, NSUT. Professor Yadvanshi received his PhD in Internas from Delhi University. His experience of more than 36 years in teaching, research, and industry. He was selected as Director EQDC in Gujarat government in 2017. He has served as Dean, Research and Development at East Campus. He has hosted International Conference ICPR 2017 as General Chair with grand success of more than 400 research papers. He has guided 5 PhD theses. He has also hosted AIEEE counseling for 3 states, Delhi, UP, and Rajasthan. He established collaboration on research work and signed MOU with NIT Delhi and YMCA Faridabad. He has published 4 books in reputed publishers like Springer, Narosa, Taylor & Francis, and Institution of Engineers and Technology. He has received Academic Excellence Award and Management Excellence Award in 2017 for its outstanding contribution. He is a fellow member of IETE, He has published more than 100 high-impact research papers in reputed international and national journals and conferences. He has delivered more than 200 invited talks in FDPs. He is presently working towards a project on development of prototype DRAs at terahertz frequency for its commercialization. I would like to invite Professor Rajveer Yaduvanshi to enlighten us about the salient features of his new book, Nano Dielectric Resonator Antenna for 5G Applications. Professor
Thank you,
Rajveer
Siddhi.
Yaduvanshi, sir, please. Yeah.
Thank you, Siddhi, for inviting me. उपस्थित विशिष्ट एवं अति विशिष्ट सभी व्यक्तियों को मेरा अभिनंदन एवं सादर प्रणाम। ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर जेपी सैनी सर, फॉर्मर मेंबर सेक्रेटरी AICTE प्रोफेसर AP मित्तल सर, प्रोफेसर अशोक कुलवा फ्रॉम Adelaide University, Australia, and all my colleagues and dear friends. I extend my warm welcome and gratitude to gracious presence of all the members present on this occasion, and this occasion was selected by our Honorable Vice Chancellor being a Navratra days. So thank you very much, sir, for advising us to have this auspicious days for having our book ceremony on this time. Thank you very much, sir, again. This is my fourth book. So the book for which we have assembled today, which will be uncovered by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. So this book is written on Nano DRA. The previous book was written on DRA. DRA is unconventional antenna. So far we have seen only metallic antennas in our environment. But we have taken unconventional task. We have made ceramic antennas in place of metallic antennas. And these ceramic antennas has been developed not only theoretical but practically. So if you see my previous book, Rectangular Dielectric Resonator Antenna, which is published in Springer, has only rectangular geometry, and it is made up of ceramics. So there are few things which we can develop in our lab, but there are few things which we are not having here. So we take Ghaziabad help to carry out testing, because an anechoic chamber is costing somewhere more like 40 crores to 80 crores. But as far as VNA testing is concerned, these testing facilities we have developed in our own college. We have 40 gigahertz VNA in our lab. So and hardware developing machine is also there available in our microwave lab. So as far as hardware is concerned, we are convergent. Now we have here Professor Alok Kushwaha from Australia University. So we are making a tie-up with him that for terahertz frequency, where the device size becomes micron. So my next book is already accepted in IET, but they want that the hardware should be developed. For this, we approached Professor Alok Kushwaha. He will be able to help us to develop those prototypes, and we will collaborate with him, because in India, the nanotechnology or quantum antennas, we are not able to develop as far as hardware is concerned. So thank you, Alok, for accepting our proposal. Alok is there with us.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. So in that, we have targeted our retinal. The retinas has cones and rods which are of 6 micron or 10 micron. So a theoretical part, we myself and Professor, my guru, Harish Parthasarthi, we have written theoretical concept, and we have simulated all the parameters required for that. So that book we will be publishing in 2001. This book, as far as Nano DRA is concerned, this book is exclusively useful for 5G communication, because in India we are coming up with 5G technology. We are switching from 4G to 5G. So this book is not only helpful to BTech students, MTech students, and PhD students, but in this book, we have developed prototype, and all prototypes have been placed at the back of the book as case studies. So these case studies can be utilized by companies for its commercialization. And in 14 chapters, we have started from scratch so that it can be well understood by BTech students and MTech students. And then slowly in last 14th chapter, we have switched over to nanotechnology, where the device has becomes miniaturized. So in the last chapter, we have only given introduction to quantum antennas or to optical antennas or to photonic antennas. But in new book, which is yet to come to be published by IIT London, there we have only focused about optical antennas, and that optical antennas will help to develop optical sensors, and those sensors can be utilized in IoT. That is my vision. And one more thing I like to say, that Ratan Tata has already said that if you want to achieve larger objective, you have to work in team. Individual cannot get any success if there is no team. So I try to work always in team, not as an individual. With this, I'd like to conclude my views, and I'll again thank all the participants who have spared their valuable time to attend this digital event. I'm really thankful to all the participants, and specifically Professor Alok Mittal, Professor Alok Kushwaha, and VC sir for giving their valuable time to have this event today. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us about the book. Now, I would like to welcome Professor J.P. Saini, Honorable Vice Chancellor, NICT Delhi. Professor J.P. Saini served as a director at Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology for Handicapped Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. Professor J.P. Saini was Principal MEC Gorakhpur from January 2010 to December 2013, Director AITH Kanpur from July 2009 to January 2010. Dean Research and Development, Chairman Training and Placement, Head of Department EC, BIET Jhansi. Founder Additional Controller of Examination, AKTU Lucknow. Coordinated State Entrance Examination, Uttar Pradesh in 2008 and 2015. During his tenure as Principal, MEC Gorakhpur, college has been granted status of State University in December, ISO certification, Center for Regular PhD program in 4 branches by AICTE under MHRD, status of Autonomous College by the UGC in July 2011. Professor J.P. Saini has extensive experience of more than 9 years in teaching, research, management, and development. He has guided 11 PhDs. He has published more than 165 research papers in reputed journals and proceedings of international and national conferences. He has been on the board of governors of many technical institutions and member of various professional societies. He is the chairman of Board of Studies, AKTU Lucknow. Professor Saini has received various prestigious awards for his contribution in academia, the Shiksha Bharati Award in 2011 from All India Achievers Foundation, and National Uttar Pradesh Education Award in 2014 for excellence in education. Throughout his tenure, Professor Saini is reputed for taking initiatives, welcome challenges, and scrutinizing alternatives to overcome obstacles. A dynamic person with proven managerial skills and cost-cutting abilities. Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, I request you to kindly start the book promotion ceremony by releasing the book written by Professor Rajveer Yaduvanshi. I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to uncover and display the book. And I also request all the attendees to kindly display the book on the screen.
Thank you very much. So, can we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Other members may also have the book if they have.
Yes, sir. We have.
Yes, sir.
This is really very tough task to inaugurate the book online.
Yes, exactly.
Rajveer sir, can you please little bit sit down either, or because your face is not visible, only the book is visible. Yes, like that. Yes, 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 like this. Yes, good.
अब तुम दिखाओ।
आपका रिवर्स से बच्चा डॉक्टर जी आपका बुक हाँ ठीक कर लीजिए।
अब सही
सर,
है।
आप थोड़ा सा अपने लेफ्ट पे कर लीजिए बुक सर।
मैं
हाँ, थोड़ा सा अपने लेफ्ट पे। हाँ जी, आप भी थोड़ा सा अंदर आप बीच में आ जाइए, आप आ नहीं रहे फोटो में। हाँ जी, यस, परफेक्ट।
थोड़ा सा नीचे करो थोड़ा। हाँ
मैनी कांग्रेचुलेशन सर।
नन्हे जी की बुक नहीं आ रही शायद?
नहीं आ रही है सर।
नहीं, ऊपर करो फोटो। हाँ फोटो अच्छा आपका स्क्रीन। सुरेश जी आपकी करो ऊपर। हाँ अब आ रही। और ऊपर कर, थोड़ा सा फोटो बढ़िया आएगा।
I have only for front page, Dr. Yadunshi, yeah? So I am displaying the front page.
आलोक, अच्छा अच्छा, ओके, थैंक यू।
Many congratulations, sir.
Thank you
very much. Thank you.
Many congratulations, Yadunshi sir.
Thank you.
डॉक्टर आलोक, आप कहाँ पर हैं आजकल?
I am in University of Adelaide.
Yeah.
I am in the School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So I joined in January 2019. So we migrated here in August 2018 actually. So it is more than now 1.5 years. So I am more into research and like scientific project they are giving to me. But side by side I am taking some lecture as well. But lecture is not like is on temporary basis. Every semester I don't take. But the projects are there, and they are more into antennas and electromagnetic theory and in biomedical engineering. Here in Australia, the more focus is on biomedical engineering because they love to care citizens health-wise. They are more into health, so they are more into biomedical engineering and all.
Yeah, this is really good field.
Yeah.
Sir, Australia has developed biomedical sensors, even UV ray sensors. If you visit to any of the seashore or at island, because of tanning, your skin get tans because of ultraviolet rays. So they have developed very thin, flexible electronics sensors.
Yes.
Okay, good. So, is there any collaboration with the medical institutions also?
Yes. If you want, I can there are Royal Adelaide Hospital, and every university have their hospital as well. They are offering medicine programs. So they are interested in having the collaboration with Indian universities and other as well. And the two of the university like Amity University and one of the Z University from Dehradun, I guess. Yeah, we have collaborated.
Okay.
So they are more into biomedical engineering and all. So, but there are other universities as well. I'm in Adelaide base, South Australia, but there are so many other universities in West Australia, in East Australia. So if you will want, I can talk with them actually.
Yeah, actually, we are also planning to start here the association with the medical institutions.
Okay.
So definitely it will help us to start here the research in the biomedical area in NSU.
So here in Adelaide, the main hospital is Royal Adelaide Hospital. They have a lot of fundings. So 2-3 projects we are currently doing for them. So they are always interested in getting giving funding for different areas. Yeah, okay. Especially biomedical engineering. Yeah. So Dr. Yadunshi has contacted me for this constructing of antenna in terahertz. So I am talking with RMIT University in Melbourne. So we are working on that. So soon it will be into hardware shape. But the labs are very advanced, and the advanced they need the costing is very high. So In India, if you see, then the money is very high. But here, they are always interested in putting money and funding any lab. You give a name of the software, give the name of the hardware. The next 7 days or 10 days, it will be available in the lab. There is no point that it will be not. No.
Really wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you,
Yeah,
everyone.
please carry on. Yeah, please carry on.
Yeah. Now, I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to kindly share a few words on this special occasion.
But I think there are other delegates who will present, I think, before me.
No, sir, they will present after you.
Only me? Okay, thank you. You have a very eminent persons on your.
Yes, sir, they will be presenting soon.
Alok Mittal is there. So thank you very much. And really, I am thankful to Dr. Yadvanshi who has given me this opportunity.
Sir, we are thankful to you, sir.
No.
This occasion is graced by you, sir.
Because after merging your institution, it is first book.
Sir.
It's first book, and really it is a very good book, in fact, on 5G applications.
Thank you, sir.
I am so welcome to Dr. Alok Kushwaha ji to our university for this first book inauguration ceremony. Dr. Alok Mittal, Dr. Harish Parsarthi, Dr. Rajiv. I think I have not seen Dr. R.K. Sarma. Is he there? Dr. R.K. Sarma?
No, sir, he is not there. I guess he
Actually, he's.
I think he may forget like me. I was under the impression that ceremony is at 4 p.m. So that's why I become late here to join you all. But really, this is, in fact, in today's, this is a very hard task to write the book when number of materials are available on the internet. But book has their own charm. If you try to read here through the internet, the different materials, it becomes really very difficult to understand the things. But if you have a book in your hand, you can learn a lot through the book. And this is really, I think, before that, in our university, Professor Harish is writing the book. Professor DK is also here, writing number of books here. At present, I think Dr. Harish and Dr. DK Singh having around 20 books each member. So, book is really the inauguration of a book. This is a really historical event for the writer and for the readers, for both. So, I think here, for this great opportunity given to me by Dr. Yadvanshi, I am thankful to Dr. Yadvanshi for your taking here, for giving me the opportunity. And I hope your book definitely will solve here or will help to the researchers and solve their problems through this book. And it will be the great collection because Dr. Yadvanshi has given me book in a just wrapped form, so I could not see the content of that book. But definitely I will go through it. And I hope that the book will be useful to all. This book, really, this is a wonderful experience for me. And thank you very much. Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for showering us with your encouraging and valuable thoughts. It will definitely motivate all of us to strive for best in our careers. Now, I request Professor Alok Kushwaha, sir, from LD University, Australia, to kindly share a few words.
Yeah, thank you, Siddhi. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
So once again, but here it is evening. It's now 5:15 here, 5:15 p.m. here. So I think I am the oldest member who knows Dr. Yadvanshi. We started our career together in 2001 from the Institute of Technology and Management. So Professor Rajveer Yaduvamshi, the man of the day, I will say, the Professor Sani, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, NSUT, Professor Alok Prakash Mittal, Professor Rajiv Kapoor, Professor Harish, and Professor Nana Singh, and my dear friends. It is a great pleasure and honor for me to attend book inaugural ceremony of Dr. Rajveer Yaduvamshi. As they say, you can never judge a book by its cover, but you can by its author, and thus I would like to speak about the man whom I have known for the last 20 years. I think I'm the oldest person to know him. So I remember the days when we worked together as academic staff in Institute of Technology and Management, Gurgaon. This institute is now university, known by North Cap University. Though it was a short duration with Dr. Yaduvamshi, but we shared a great bonding during that time, and it is continued till date. So in technical terms, you can understand in a way that we have ideal impedance matching to transmit and receive our ideas and approaches, that too without any devices. So I think it will be more, you can understand like this. So I saw abundance of energy and passion in him towards his field of radar and satellite communication engineering. And what exactly I learned from him is to enjoy the work instead taking work as a work only. So together we always found pleasure in designing the system and sharing its knowledge with the students. And I still remember that he designed unmanned railway terminals and controlling the gate remotely using satellite signaling during that period, and how the management of the institute was impressed and interested in putting that idea for the patent. So that was excellent actually. So for the last few years, Dr. Yaduvamshi has been doing commendable work in the antenna design and theory, which can be testified by his number of citations in Google Scholar. And not only him, his family is also very talented. He is fathering a brilliant son and a daughter, and have a great support by his better half in order to produce best research finding and publication in the field of antennas and electromagnetic theory for the research community to follow. I give him congratulations on publishing this long-awaited book on nanodielectric resonator antennas for 5G application, and wish him great success in future endeavor. Once again, thank you and best wishes to you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Professor Alok Prakash Mittal, sir, former member secretary of AICTE, to kindly enlighten us. Professor Alok Prakash Mittal, sir.
It's not audible, I guess.
Sir, you're not audible.
ये माइक तो ऑन है सर का?
Yes, sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
सर का माइक ऑन करना पड़ेगा लग रहा है. सौरभ सर का माइक ऑन करना पड़ेगा.
Sir, the mic is on. I think.
मैं फोन करके बता देता हूँ. मित्तल सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
सर अगर
मित्तल सर की आवाज नहीं, सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. वॉल्यूम तो कम नहीं है
सर हेडफोन हटा के एक बार ट्राई कर सकते हैं क्या सर?
नहीं, हेडफोन तो सर, हाँ सर वॉल्यूम बढ़ाएं थोड़ा सा आप उसकी वॉल्यूम। हेडफोन निकाल दें सर, हेडफोन निकाल दें मोबाइल से, या तो ब्लूटूथ पे सर का फोन।
हाँ सर ये हो सकता है मे बी।
माइक वाला और निकलवा दें उसमें से ब्लूटूथ और।
जड़ा साहब आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी है
सर हमारी सर वायरलेस है, माइक तो बाहर तो जा रहा है सिग्नल।
करिए
आवाज नहीं आ रही
sir, we can record his message and we will later on incorporate it in this particular video.
ऐसे करेंगे
Record the message from him.
हाँ रीजॉइन।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, आप सर को कॉल करके अपना फोन लाउड स्पीकर पे रखेंगे तो भी सुन जाएगा सर क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, अगर पॉसिबल है। हाँ जी सर।
Right.
नंदा जी फोन करना सर को एक बार।
हाँ नमस्कार सर। सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, आप फोन
ऐसे ही बुलवा लो सर से ऐसे ही बुलवा लो आप, हमें सबकी सुनाई दे रही है। आप अपना नन्हे जी अपना स्पीकर ऑन करके और सर से बुलवा लो।
सर एक सेकंड सर।
वॉल्यूम थोड़ा ज्यादा कर दो, बुलवा लो सर से।
हाँ सर आप इसी पे बोल लीजिए, इसी मेरे वाले फोन पे ही, तो मैं अपने उस लैपटॉप से सर सुनाई आ जाएगी, है ना। मैं थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच
सर को थैंक यू बोल दो सबकी तरफ से।
हाँ थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
थैंक यू सर। Now, I would like to invite Professor Harish Bhattacharya sir from MSCP Delhi to share his thoughts.
Please repeat once again. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, sir. Respected Chief Guest, Eminent Professor J.P. Saini, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Alok Kushwaha, Professor Adelaide University, Australia, Professor Alok Mittal, former Secretary, ICT and Government of India, Professor Rajiv Kapoor, Professor DTU, and former Principal AIST of Delhi, Professor Harish Partha Sarthi, Professor NSUT, Professor R.K. Sharma, Principal NSUT East Campus, Professor Bijender Singh, NSUT, Professor Amit Prakash Singh, GGS IPU, Professor B.K. Kanojia, JNU, Professor Rajkumar Yadav, MD University, Professor Harish Partha Sarthi, NSUT, Professor Harish Rohil, CDLU, Sirsa University, Professor Ashok Yadav, Amity University, Professor Pankaj Lathar, NSUT South Campus, and learned researchers, academicians, colleagues, and dear students. Good afternoon to all of you. On the occasion of Pustak Bimachan Samaro, I take this opportunity to give vote of thanks to our honorable guest. The aim of organizing this event was to introduce multidimensional views of nano-dielectric resonator antennas in 5G technologies among the researchers, academicians, and students, and to explore the scope of research based on these technologies. This event imparted knowledge about the various aspects of research trends in the present and future world in the field of communication. This book will surely trigger new ideas and contribute many folds to the students' community. I, at this event, am very grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Jenny sir, who spared his valuable time from the busy schedule and accepted our invitation without any formality, and also motivated and inspire the academic community from this platform. I am thankful to all the learned professors, especially Professor Alok Kushwaha from Adelaide University, from various reputed universities, who spared the latest knowledge in the field of existing and future research challenges in the fields of 5G communication at this platform, and appreciated the great work of Professor Rajbir Yadvanshi, Professor University East Campus, in the form of this book, which will definitely benefit the student community. This could not have been possible without the endless support of Dr. Suresh Kumar, Dr. Salendra Kumar, Dr. R.S. Rao, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, and Mr. Arvind Kumar, who always motivated and provided the direct and indirect help in the preparation of this book. I feel that this inauguration ceremony was surely a historical platform where many researchers joined and met due to the collaboration of this event. Last but not the least, I am also grateful to all the researchers, scholars, and students who joined this event and listened patiently to the learned professors. And I am also thankful to all the audience who spared their valuable time in this pandemic to attend the ceremony and announce the beauty of this program. Once again, thank you all for making this program a huge success. Warm wishes of Holy Navratri to you and your family. Jai Hind.
Over to you, Siddhi.
Yes, sir. So we would also love to hear from Harish Parthasarathy, sir. Sir, is it possible now?
I guess Harish sir is not. I guess he is not available because of his some health issue or something. So I guess we can pass on to Rajveer sir to conclude this.
Yes, sir. Now we would like to conclude it.
सर सबके अच्छे हमने जो है वक्तव्य सुने, और इसी सर का स्पेशली हम थैंक्स कहना चाहेंगे कि इतने बिजी शेड्यूल से उन्होंने अपना टाइम निकाला, और स्पेशली मेरे को तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सर ने बोला कि ये बुक विमोचन हम एक महीने पहले अप्रोच किए थे, कह रहे नहीं इसको ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन में हम इनॉग्रेट करेंगे. तो सर थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर सजेस्टिंग अस एंड एडवाइजिंग अस to have this inauguration on during Navratras. Thank you very much, sir. और सारे
thank you very much and really जैसे आपका इंस्टीट्यूट एसोसिएट हुआ है NSUT से, ये बहुत अच्छा टास्क है हम लोगों के लिए, और जॉइंटली मतलब NSUT का रीच आपके कैंपस हुआ, उधर हमारा वेस्ट कैंपस में हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ अच्छा रिसर्च आउटकम हमें मिलेगा दोनों कैंपस के साथ, क्योंकि NSUT में भी और इस बार भी आपको जो स्टूडेंट मिलने वाले हैं ना, वो रियली बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं. अभी अगर आपने
सर आपने एफर्ट्स लगाए कि AICT को NSUT का नाम दिलाया, वो बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है सर हम लोगों के लिए.
रियली एक्चुअली एक्सपेंशन तो हमेशा लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल होता है, और दिल्ली के लिए तो खासकर हो गई होगा, क्योंकि अगर हाँ
सर ये आपके आशीर्वाद से ही हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी बन पाया है। मैं सिसोदिया जी के वहां जाता रहता हूँ, तो कौशिक सर बताते थे मुझे कि सैनी सर बहुत पेन ले रहे हैं आपको प्रमोट करने के लिए। तो रेगुलर लगे, डेली आते हैं, बहुत कि जल्दी निकालो इसको, कैबिनेट अप्रूवल कराओ। वो पेंडेमिक की वजह से लेट हो गया, लेकिन और भी पहले हो जाता है। तो थैंक यू सो मच।
लेकिन एडमिशन हम लोगों ने किया है, तो मैं लास्ट टाइम से कंपेयर कर रहा था कि जो रैंक है आपका, खासकर बहुत ही मुझे लगता है बच्चों ने प्रेफरेंस दिया है। इवन कई इंस्टीट्यूशन से ऊपर जो है डीटीओ वगैरह से भी आपका क्लोजिंग अगर देखें तो एट पार गया है डीटीओ।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू
वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू सर, दिस इज फॉर योर एफर्ट सर।
नहीं, वहां भी मैं देख रहा था कंप्यूटर साइंस 11,000 के अराउंड क्लोज हुआ है, और आपका भी सीएस बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स 11,000 पे ही क्लोज हो गया है।
बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल।
रियली मतलब बच्चों ने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया है इस मूव को, दिल्ली के स्टूडेंट्स ने खासकर, और खासकर जो बच्चे नोएडा गाजियाबाद से आते हैं उनके लिए तो एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, डिस्टेंस भी कम होगा उनका, मेरे ख्याल से आपके यहाँ से नजदीक भी पड़ेगा।
जी सर,
बिल्कुल।
चैलेंजेस हैं जिसको हम लोग बहुत शॉर्टली रिमूव करेंगे, कैंपसेस के अंदर होंगे। जो पहले एक ब्यूरोक्रेटिक सिस्टम ज्यादा था आपका, अब वो थोड़ा सा लिबरलाइज होगा डेफिनेटली। मुझे लगता है रिजल्ट अच्छे आएंगे हमारे कैंपस के, दोनों कैंपस के।
श्योर।
थैंक यू वंस अगेन।
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much, sir.
May I leave now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
हेलो, बहुत बढ़िया आपका जो है।
थैंक यू आलोक। और यदुवंशी सर, कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू।
मौका लगेगा तो जरूर पढ़ेंगे।
बिल्कुल जी, सबके लिए। और एक
जो
चीज
ना-
और मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि अभी ये कोई भी इवेंट बिना पार्टी के सक्सेसफुल नहीं होती है। ये पार्टी हमारी ड्यू है। जैसे ही पेंडेमिक ठीक होएगा तो हम ऑफलाइन भी मिलेंगे।
हाँ जी सर, बिल्कुल। एक सर मेरा
हाँ जी।
स्कॉलर जो है आईओटी पे काम कर रहा है, इंटरनेट ऑफ
जी
थिंग्स,
जी।
और उसको मैंने
अच्छा।
सेंसर सभी स्टडी करने के लिए बोला है कि सेंसर से स्टडी करो। तो ये जो आपके किताब का जब विमोचन हो रहा था, तो एक ऐसा जिक्र आया था कि कुछ एंटीना जो आईओटी और सेंसर का भी जिक्र आया था, तो मेरे को लगा मेरे लिए हेल्पफुल भी होगी ये किताब आपकी।
बिल्कुल, अगली किताब हमारी सेंसर पे ही है। वो सारी उसमें जो है टेराहर्ट्ज फ्रीक्वेंसी वाले सेंसर डिजाइन किए हमने।
और एक सर आपने जो रतन टाटा जी का कोट आपने बताया कि कोई भी बड़ा काम करना है तो हमेशा टीम के
बिना टीम के नहीं होता जी, ये है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है।
ये बड़ा अच्छा मतलब विचार मेरे को लगा जो है, और आपका टीम वर्क बड़ा अच्छा है सर।
देखने को भी मिला हुआ आपको। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हाँ जी,
इसमें जो हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, अब देखो सिद्धि ने इतना बढ़िया आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है। जो सौरभ स्क्रीन के पीछे, उसने बहुत ही जबरदस्त काम किया है। बाकी सब लोगों ने, सुरेश कुमार जी का आपने सुन ही लिया, नन्हे जी को आपने देख ही लिया, बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जो स्क्रीन के बिहाइंड है, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत काम किया है। सो रियली इट इज ए टीम वर्क व्हिच ब्रिंग्स द फ्रूट, देयर इज नो डाउट इन दैट। आलोक का जो मेरा बहुत पुराना एसोसिएशन था, उनका देखो कंट्रीब्यूशन टुडे। तो at no distance.
बंदे के पीछे जो काम करते हैं उनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान होता है सर।
जी। So team, we have to work only in team to get something very large, to fulfill large objective.
Yes sir.
अनिल सर इथोपिया से जुड़ा हुआ है।
बताओ, बहुत बढ़िया।
अनिल इथोपिया से जुड़ा।
I just wanted to say, today was my lecture in Oman on antenna theory. I just heard lecture.
नहीं, थैंक यू आलोक, बहुत मुग्ध हो गए आप इस चीज को सुन के।
नहीं सर,
हाँ, वो जल्दी कॉलेज की फाइल बढ़ाएंगे। अब we will have one collaboration with LD University.
Yeah, sure. We are always ready. Always.
Sir, Siddhi wish to thank everyone for joining. Sir, let her continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I once again thank everyone for joining us, and I once again congratulate Rajveer sir for his book. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Siddhi.
Sir, congratulations for the
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you,
Congratulations
sir.
to all as well, sir.
और
Okay,
पार्टी
sir.
नहीं, आज सबने आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन किया, सौरभ, सिद्धि एंड एवरीवन इन द टीम. सो दैट्स व्हाई द पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द टीम. रतन टाटा इसलिए याद आ रहे सबको.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, congratulations. Congratulations to all as well. Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you, ji, thank you.
Congratulations, Professor Rajveer. Congratulations once more.
मित्तल सर, आपको थैंक यू. मित्तल सर की आवाज हमने ट्रांसपॉन्डर के थ्रू सुनी, फिर भी सर थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू.
And it's
Thank
very
you,
nice
Mr.
to see. It's nice to see all faculty friends in this
Thank you,
pandemic
Dr.
era. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay जी, thank you.
Yes.
We will have talk.
We'll talk to you.
नमस्कार. कुशवाहा सर, नमस्कार.
नमस्कार जी.